Hi all, it's a very light box this time around, and I can't actually remember what's in it. They do show us, but I don't remember it this time around. It's got a slit between the tripods if you're wondering, the top, so that's why I always have to move it. So we've got our usual little postcard, which is very nice. Isn't that a pretty picture? Okay, so we are doing gold work gingerbread house brooch. Oh, isn't that pretty? So we get copper wire. It's called check pearl. Copper wire check pearl. I don't really know, but silver plated wire check pearl. Silver plated pearl. It does say pearl, I promise. Copper coloured passing, beads and spangles, brooch backing, embroidery hoop, cotton fabric, Vilene fabric stiffener, I think. Again, words to me, we all know. Felt, chenille and embroidery needle, 2 embroidery threads and the design template. And we will need pencil, scissors and sewing pins, which are optional. So this is going to be very interesting. I have never done beadwork, not just beadwork, wire work like this. This is going to be interesting. It looks like it's similar to cross stitch but done with wire, which I've never done. So yeah, so this must be our template. So it's going to be a nice little thing. That's cool. If I get it done in time, then I can possibly put it on the tree. But we all know how long it takes me to get these things done. Okay, so this is possibly the felt. It's quite stiff. It's got a little curve on it, but I'm sure that'll flatten out. Do those bits in a minute. Okay, so this is our fabric. I think this is probably the felt. That's much more felt-like. So this is that, what did they call it? This fabric stiffener thing? Vilene fabric stiffener, or whatever they call it. So I suppose maybe it's something similar to interfacing, I'm not sure. Doing really well here, aren't I? Oh, look at the tiny little embroidery hoop. I don't have one this size. That's cool, because I like doing little ones and I didn't have one this size. That's a trimmets. Here's the little bit of embroidery thread. So we've got some white and some ginger colour, gingerbread brown colour. So in here I think is the wires. Let's have a look. Rip the label because I have a headache today, so we're not doing things too gently. Oh, that's loud. Okay, let me just put that down there a minute and we can have a proper look, because I think there's still one more in there. No, it's... Okay, so there seems to be 2 of this type. You see these wires? They're very wiggly. So they're springy. So I guess it's some kind of elastic. Springy. We have one of them in white. And then we have, let's separate these off, this in white, which again is a little springy, not as much as the others, but it is a little springy. I don't know if you can see that very well. And then much more of this. It's very fine, but hopefully you can see it. So this is going to be intriguing. I've never worked with any of this material before. So it's obviously elastically spring wire of some kind. I don't really understand it. Let's put it back safely so we don't lose any of it. And this one contains needle pins with a sharp point, so instead of me opening it and losing them, you can see there's 2 needles in there, so I guess that's for the different types of wire thread we're using. And then this one contains small parts, so this is the beads and things. Let's open this one so you can see them all. Let's try not to lose any of these, shall we? Okay, just put them back there so we don't lose them. Okay, so we've got a brooch piece. So that's just your basic brooch piece. I've got a lot of these already. And then we've got your beads. So we've got little white beads, and then we've got little sequins. I think you can see the colour change. It shows the sequins on these compared to the white beads. You can see the colour shifting on the sequins. So these are really pretty. They're very pearly. I don't know if you can see that, but they are very pretty and shiny pearl-like beads. It's a bit hard to show you, but they are stunning. Let's see if we can safely get them back in, shall we? Yay! Go me! That might be the first time I've ever got small things back in the bowl without dropping any. So I think that's everything. Yep. So this is going to be very interesting to do because I've done lots of embroidery before, but I've never worked with wire or this elasticated wire stuff. It's very, very cool. So I will do this on camera along with the other ones. Those who follow my other social medias know that I've been incredibly busy with shop stuff at the moment, so I haven't had time to do anything else, but I will show you some of these when they're done. Hopefully I'll make them on camera as well, but I think they were really nice this time around. It's going to be intriguing to see how it all turns out. So, the usual legal spiel. I buy these myself. Everything is paid for myself. My opinion is my own. I'm not affiliated, associated, or even known by Craftiosity. I don't think they even know I do these videos. But I really do like their kits because it's always something new, and even if it's something like embroidery, which I've done before, this is a whole new take that I've never done, so it's really cool. So if you just Google Craftiosity, one day I might remember to put the link down in the description, but we all know I forget that very often. But otherwise, I will be back in January for the next box, which I've already seen the sneak peek for, so it looks like it's going to be a really good box. So I'll see you all then. You take care. Bye!